Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu wassalamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله بغتة أو جهرة هل يهلك إلا القوم الظالمون. Translation: Say, you think and tell, if the punishment of Allah comes to you suddenly, unexpected, or openly, will anybody be destroyed except the wrongdoing people and nation? In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may send the punishment to the transgressors suddenly, or the punishments may come openly. And when the punishment like this comes, the people who are transgressor, the people who are doing the wrong, are destroyed, and they get the painful death, they get the humiliating death, and they are the true losers. Once again, it must be understood that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends the messenger, and the messengers give the message, and these people who are transgressors understand the message. Their heart give the testimony of truth, but they hide that testimony of truth. And once they start hiding and keep hiding, then their hearts are sealed, and then they lose the capability of understanding the truth, and then they get the punishment. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَا نُرْسِلُ الْمُرْسَلِينَ إِلَّا مُبَشِّرِينَ وَمُنذِرِينَ فَمَنْ آمَنَ وَأَصْلَحَ فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ. Translation: And we did not send the messengers except for giving good news and warnings. So those who believe and reform their ways right, they will have no fear, nor they will grieve. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent so many messengers, and the basic work of the messenger, the basic duty of the messenger is to call people towards the truth and give them the news of paradise and good rewards for those who accept the truth, and give the people warning about severe painful punishment for those who reject the truth. And this is the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that has been since the Adam alayhi salam, and our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam also gave the same message. So those people who believe in the prophets and who correct their sinful ways, and they accept the truth with their hearts, they are the lucky one, they are the righteous one, and they are the successful one, and they will have no fear of the future, and they will have no grief of the past. And this is important to understand, that these two words come together often in Quran: khawf and huzn. Khawf is for the future, and huzn is for the past. So it can be translated as fear of the future and grief on the past. So the believers who have believed and who have corrected themselves and who have done the good deeds will have no fear of future and will have no grief of the past. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who are the believers and who are going to get the Jannah with the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.